Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the world of crypto mining and discover the best software out there? Before we get started, don't forget to click the link in the description below for your special discount on the best crypto mining tools. Alright, let's get into it. So you've got your rig all set up and you're ready to start mining? But wait, what software should you use? Let's break down the top contenders. First up, we've got CGMiner. This is the granddaddy of mining software. It's been around forever and supports a wide range of hardware. It's open source, so you can tweak it to your heart's content. But fair warning, it's command line based, so it might feel like hacking into the matrix. Next, we've got EasyMiner. It's perfect for beginners. EasyMiner comes with a graphical interface that makes it, well, easy. It supports various algorithms and even has a chat feature so you can brag about your mining prowess. Plus, it's open source too. But what if you're on the go? Say hello to EasyMiner. This bad boy can manage multiple rigs from one dashboard. It supports over 50 mining engines and can switch between algorithms to maximize profits. It's like having a personal assistant for your mining operations. And finally, we have MultiMiner. It's perfect for those who want to mine multiple cryptocurrencies. The user interface is super friendly, and it automatically detects your hardware. Plus, it suggests the most profitable coins to mine. Talk about convenience. So there you have it. Whether you're a seasoned miner or just getting started, there's software out there for you. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special discount on the best mining tools. Happy mining, folks. Catch you in the next one.